here's the Taurus Millennium PT11. I'm going to do a few shots with a 0.20 gram BBs. These are Crosman. And we're going to see if it does okay. This is a super soft one. And there's no hop up, so I'm not expecting too much. I'm already having to I'm not sure where I hit it, but at least hit the target. Oh. Flying relatively straight. I think that was a bullseye. Alright, so they're all hitting. I'm aiming at the target's dead center at the bottom of it. So as long as I aim up a little bit, 0.20s work fine. That one went off. Now they're curving off a bit. No idea why. Alright, now we're back to normal. Trigger pull is pretty hard on this one. And we're out of ammo. So it started curving off to the left and right at the end there with 0.20s. I'm not sure what was going on, but let's go take a look at the target. Most of the shots might have dropped by now, but you can see there was quite a bit of curving. So it's okay for indoor shooting, but I definitely wouldn't take this outside for any competitive play. There are going to be better models out there. Thanks for watching.